Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys what according to me are must-have jeans in 2022. And over these years I have realized that trends come and go, but the one thing that is always going to be your wardrobe staple is denim, and specifically speaking denim jeans. So today I will cover everything that I feel is a must have in 2022. There is definitely some variation in different styles and shapes of jeans, but they are here for at least next 10 years if not forever, because jeans are a perfect bottom wear when you are on the go and we just can't stop using them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing in my list is straight fit jeans. I don't know if you guys are aware or no, but skinny jeans are not a thing anymore, at least in 2022. And I am personally not sad about it. In fact, I'm glad that they are gone, because when I started observing, and that happened very recently, when I started observing how I looked in them, I realized that skinny jeans did not make me look very good. I personally have very heavy bottoms, like very heavy thighs, and whenever I wore a skinny jeans, it felt like I'm struggling in them. I'm not sad about it, they're gone for good. So now what do? We can take a shift and start exploring new options in the category of straight fit jeans. They are very versatile, very comfortable. Also, you get a lot of different styles to choose from even in this category. You can go for ripped straight fit jeans, you can try high waisted, mid waisted. There are a lot, and it won't be a waste of money if you decide to invest in a good pair of straight fit jeans, because you know that you can always grab them on the go. And this pair of jeans that I am showing you today in this video is from a brand called Miss Chase. It is completely worn out and it's very comfortable. I have used them for years. That's how comfortable they are, and you can get the maximum amount of use out of them because they go with everything. The next on my list is paper bag jeans. Now, I'm not really sure if paper bag jeans are a trend or no, but one thing I know for sure is very cropped top or lingerie as a top for that matter is making its name in the list of 2022 trends. So if you want a casual and relaxed bottom wear to pair with them, a paper bag jeans will be a perfect fit when you're just out and about hanging out with your girls, or when you're on a brunch date. The paper bag jeans is going to give you that super sassy look. The right selection of paper bag jeans will make you wear it again and again, and you don't have to normalize the idea of being uncomfortable in your jeans. That's so outdated, because whenever you're wearing a slouchy jeans or a paper bag jeans, you would feel like you are in your loungewear. And I would like to style this kind of jeans with my extremely short and cropped tops. You can also style them with your bralettes to give them a little casual vibe. The paper bag jeans that I'm showing you in this video is from Amazon. If you feel like you need anything from this video, you can always find the link in the description below, so you can check it out whenever you want to. So next on my list is mom jeans. Mom jeans, according to me, is a blessing for ladies who have heavy bottoms, especially heavier thighs, because when you wear a mom jeans, it hugs your lower body, it hugs your like hip area in a way that it does not emphasize that area. It does not like cling on to them. It feels very comfortable, it gives you enough room to move around in them, and overall it gives your body a very nice shape altogether. Styling mom jeans is a piece of cake because it goes with anything and everything that you must have in your wardrobe. And if you haven't tried it yet, then I urge you to get one for yourself in 2022. You will thank me later. If you have very heavy thighs, then I would suggest you to get one in darker wash. Initially, when I used to purchase jeans, I was only sticking to my blues and blacks. Very boring, I know, but ever since I have gotten my hands on this jeans that I have right now, this is a dark gray wash. I haven't found a single color that doesn't go with this jeans. I'm obsessed with it. I can't stop wearing it. This jeans that I'm showing you is from Urbanic, and again I'll give you the link in the description below. One tip that I'm gonna give you while you're shopping for mom jeans is pay a little close attention to how it fits you, because it all lies in the fit. If it fits you, it's gonna flatter your body in a very beautiful way. Exchange or return if you need a size larger or a size smaller, because it really needs to fit you right. One quick reminder, if you're still watching this video, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel, and if you're enjoying, do not forget to hit that like button. That would mean a lot to me. Alright, so the last style on my list is flared jeans. Flared jeans or bootcut jeans, they have made a huge comeback in 2021, and they are not going away any soon. So if you feel like they fit your personality, do try them at least once, because when you wear these kind of jeans, you're elevating your look, you're changing your look while doing just the bare minimum. One thing that you need to keep in mind while shopping for flared jeans is that if you have short legs, do not go for extremely flared legs, or don't go for a jeans that has ruffle detailings at the end, because it's gonna make you look very bulky, and it's gonna make your legs look even shorter, which is definitely not pretty for anybody. Stick to less flare because they make you look stylish and does not take away from your height at the same time. The jeans that I am showing you today is from Amazon, and I love using it. I like to pair them up with my basic tops, basic tees, and make them look trendy. So yes everybody, that is it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, or if you enjoyed watching it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time, and if you want to connect to me personally, if you want to watch short fashion or beauty content, because definitely if you're here, you enjoy watching it, I know, you can head over to my Instagram and follow me there. Just chic stuff. Bye.